Welcome to Arlington Community Arts. Today we're making egg carton ghost portraits. Begin by cutting out the pointy middle divider of the egg carton. Trim the bottom edges into a curve. Next, cut the shape in half vertically. Now you have two ghost shapes. Paint a ghost shape white and then set it aside to dry. While the paint is drying, let's work on the frame. Trace a frame shape onto a piece of chipboard. Next, cut out the shape. Next, using a paint pen, draw a smaller version of your shape inside of the frame. Decorate the inside of the shape to look like wallpaper. Once you are done, you can outline the shape again to make the edges crisp. If you would like, using scraps from your chipboard, make props for your ghost. Using a black pen, give your ghost eyes and a mouth. You can also give it pink cheeks if you would like. Use glue to put all the pieces together.